Welcome to appleguide. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you in simple steps how to secure your files on your MacBook. Go to System Settings, click on General, click on Sharing, and then here you have File Sharing. Because this is turned on, anyone on the same network with this computer can view the data shared with others. If there's a data that is not password protected, people on the same network as this system will be able to access such data. This shouldn't be a problem if it's on a home or work network. But the danger is the minute you log into a public network, others can access your data. If you're in a public space, you might have noticed other people's hard drive popping up on your machine. So it's better to have file sharing turned off for peace of mind. So what I'm going to do now is just turn it off. I'm going to input the password, click Modify Settings, and done. This is how you secure your files on your MacBook.